Come back to Recycled and Saved. We've got number 95, 2002 400EX. We bought it to put into our trail fleet and just never got a chance to do that, so we don't have any time on it. It's got these fancy aftermarket Fox shocks, and it's got some high-tech halogen headlights. Plastic's been cut down if you want to get full of mud. Aftermarket plastic in the back. Taillight's still there. Rosier exhaust. 4 matched tires. All the controls and everything are all here. Aftermarket throttle assembly. Clearly somebody's had it apart. There's Permatex on the ignition cover and a couple of the bolts are missing. So can't really say a lot about this unit because we don't know, but let me start it up. Ignition switch is laying here because of the kit stuff.